Good medical morning. Blackheads and whiteheads, what's the difference? Both blackheads and whiteheads are clogged pores, but the opening of the pore is different in each. In a blackhead, the part of the pore at the surface of the skin is stretched and open. The black color is dead skin cells, bacteria, and oil stuck down in the pore. Ew. Because the top part of the pore is open, the scientific term for a blackhead is an open comedone. A whitehead is also a clogged pore, except, unlike a blackhead, the top of the pore is not stretched open and exposing the clogged portion. The pore is still clogged, but the surface of the pore is closed. So dermatologists call these closed comedones. We have found that blackhead removal tools are the best way to treat blackheads, and sometimes whiteheads, without scarring. Not all are the same though. The better kits will last you a lifetime, while the cheap kits will cut you and spread bacteria. We'll put a link to our favorite in the description below. Hey folks, check out this 24 karat gold anti-wrinkle beauty peel mask. It's the latest and greatest in skincare that's worked its way over from Asia. They're somewhat similar to the activated carbon blackhead peel masks, which focus more on deep pore cleaning and tug on the skin a little bit harder upon peeling. The gold mask focuses more on skin smoothing, and the gold itself helps to replenish collagen and accelerate collagen renewal. So for smoother, healthier skin, try this 24 karat gold peel. Check out the link below.
I feel really smooth and fresh, refreshing.